Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you an amazing product that has changed my smoothie game, and that's the Vitamix Blender. I've been using it for a while now, and I just can't get enough of it. It's been a total game changer in my kitchen, and I think it could be for you too. So what is it? Well, it's a high-powered blender designed specifically for home kitchen users, perfect for making smoothies, pureed soups, and even frozen desserts. It's a versatile appliance that can handle a variety of tasks with ease. Now, let's dive into the specs, because this is where things get really interesting. The Vitamix Blender has 10 speeds, which gives you total control over the blending process, and it comes with a massive 64-ounce container, perfect for making large batches of your favorite smoothies. The blender is made of stainless steel, which is durable and resistant to scratches, and the best part is that it's self-cleaning, so you don't have to worry about scrubbing away at it after every use. It also comes with a 5-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind, knowing that you're protected in case anything goes wrong. And, as I mentioned earlier, the 64-ounce container is a real winner. It's perfect for making large batches of smoothies or even frozen treats for the whole family. In real-world use, this blender has been a dream to use. It's so easy to just throw in your ingredients and let it do its thing. I've made countless smoothies with it, and it's never failed to deliver a smooth and creamy result. So what's the verdict? I'd give this blender a solid 9 out of 10. It's been a total workhorse in my kitchen, and I couldn't imagine going back to my old blender. The only reason I wouldn't give it a 10 is that it's a bit pricey, but trust me, it's worth every penny. I've been using this blender for a while now, and I've experimented with all sorts of recipes, from classic smoothies to more complex desserts. It's really opened up a whole new world of possibilities in my kitchen, and I think it could do the same for you. So, if you're in the market for a new blender, I definitely recommend checking out the Vitamix. And if you're already a fan of the brand, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. In conclusion, the Vitamix Blender is an amazing product that's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen appliances. It's powerful, versatile, and easy to use, making it a must-have for any home cook or baker. So, be sure to like and subscribe for more product reviews, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'll catch you all in the next video.